Hi, ladies and gentlemen. We are the R&B Cadets, and this is a beautiful song written by John Cebar here called The Outskirts of You.
I'll be a white cloud in your sky of blue.
I'll be the little dream you hope will come true.
Just have to hang around. It's all that I can do. Somewhere on the outskirts of you. Just to get closer to my favorite view.
I'll be the shadow when the light shines through.
And in the morning, baby, I'll be the dew. Somewhere on the outskirts of you. So if you catch a glimpse of somebody new,
Around the corner, I just might leave a clue.
million stories, and each one of them is true. Some